Hello, good evening. My name is Simon Uzoma. Welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us a 4-bedroom bungalow that we roofed in Badagry. Okay, I think it is old 4-bedroom bungalow that was renovated, and we have to roof it. And I'll be showing us how much we spent. The step-by-step guide of everything we do, from the wooden work to the nails to the roofing sheet, and everything that you need to know. I'll be giving us the step-by-step guide, the details of everything. Okay, welcome to Simtech Properties. In this channel, we give out the best information when it comes to building a house, when it comes to roofing a house, when it comes to anything that has to do with real estate. We give it out here free of charge. Okay, so now let's move on. Let's dive in and let me show you what we have done, and I'm going to show you the before and after the building, what we did, and move to the next step. Okay, this is the whole building. This building is located in Badagry. Okay, as you can see what we have here, you can see the roofing. You can see the old roofing, how it looked like. This is the before we started roofing it. You can see what they have here. You can see that this is a very old building, and the roofing, what we have here is old roofing and everything. Okay, and I'll be showing us the new the after. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, this is the new the after, which is the when we finish roofing it. You can see what we did for this client. You can see how beautiful this roofing is. What we use here is a stone coated sheet in roofing this house. Okay, as you can see, the way it looks very beautiful, wonderful, and looks so portable. Okay, and I'll be giving us the step-by-step how we did it, from the wood to the nail, everything, the prices of the nail, the price of the roofing, the price I'll be giving us everything, and I will show you how much we spend, total of how much we spend in roofing this 4-bedroom bungalow in Badagry. Okay, take note that this old building is very big, as in the rooms are so big, and the building is very big, so you can imagine how many square meter we use in roofing this house. I will give you total amount of everything, from how we started to the woodwork, everything. You'll be getting to know how we did it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, before I show us how much you spent on this roofing, if you have any building, if you have any roofing that you want us to roof for you, give us a call. Our phone number is on the screen right now. We can give you the best and the modern roofing. Not only that, we also build for clients. We can build any type of house for you, either bungalow, duplex, just name it. Anywhere in Nigeria, we give you the best. Give us a call. Our phone number is on the screen right now, and we'll give you the best. And again, for those that have not subscribed to this channel, please, I want you to click on subscribe on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel, because this is one of the best building channel in Nigeria. This is where you get the best price, you get the best information when it comes to building and anything that has to do with real estate in Nigeria. You'll be getting it here free of charge. So click on subscription button and get the best. Okay, let's move on. Okay, right now let me give us the list of material that we use in roofing the bungalow in Badagry. Let me give us the step-by-step and everything that we need. Okay, number one, we use 400 pieces of 2x4, which is 1,200 naira each, total of 480,000 naira. Then number two, we have 500 pieces of 2x3, which is 900 naira each, total of 450,000 naira. Then number three, we have 4 bags of 4 inches nail, which is 12,000 naira each, total of 48,000 naira. Then number four, we have we bought one bag of 3 inches nail at the rate of 12,000 naira. Then the fifth one is which is the roofing sheet. Like I said earlier, what we use is a stone coated roofing sheet, and I told you that the per square meter is about 4,000 plus. Now we bought 541 square meter of the stone coated sheet at the rate of 4,100 naira each, total of 2,218,100 naira. That's for the roofing sheet. Then the next one, we bought 3 packets of roofing nail, which is about 7,000 naira each, total of 21,000 naira. Okay, then the seventh one, we bought 2 kits, which is about 5,000 naira. Then transportation, let me explain this transportation. Now, if where they are selling the material is a little bit far from where you are roofing or where you are building, that means the transportation might be somehow expensive. But if the place is not too far, you will get it cheaper rate. Okay, now where we did this bungalow is, like I said earlier, is a Badagry, and where we bought where the material is somewhere in Koka. That is somewhere in Olile, and you can see how far it is. Okay, now we spend I think that should be about 120,000 naira for transportation. Okay, that is to transport it from where they sell the material to where we are roofing the building. Okay, then let me talk about workmanship. Workmanship depend on, there are so many factors that determine workmanship, depending on how big the house is, depending on the kind of style you want, depending on the roofing sheet you want. There are so many things that we put, that we consider before charging the workmanship. Now let me explain. Now the money you use in roofing 2-bedroom will not be the same money you use in roofing 4-bedroom. So there are so many things different. Okay, now the total amount here I have here for everything we use in roofing this building is about that's minus the workmanship, is about 3,354,100 naira. This is total amount. Let me repeat again: 3,354,100 naira. Okay, now if you have any building in Nigeria, in Lagos, anywhere that you want us to roof for, you give us a call. Our phone number is on the screen right now, and we'll give you the best roofing, the best that you can, the modern roofing that you can think about. My name is Simon Uzoma. Once again, thank you for watching, and God bless you. See you other time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be getting updates about roofing, about building, real estate, and everything you can think of in Nigeria. See ya and stay blessed.